Esther Smith our tonyon pa ho febia woman ye kase tuntum se wie pa dia ne ho opepa ne obo ayi hwehwe wa wie ye odas ne hwehwe te ndwuma eye nkwadwe sam de ye kase Esther Smith bo a wo bi pa na say ye hwehwe ne Ghana ha ba bia ye hu na te say ode ne ho kota ye amononi abroje kakra board obrano enti ebre so oba Ghana na te say wobabo shoes anase corset senia enkrofo ebehu ne say wasan ba system nim na ye dwumadie no course na opeso obo no akra ha se kumase ene takrade na enkra ha de na ekoso Friday ya Lady Prempeh say ye friend say on be performing na what it show na say I say ye frefre o hu ya ye boni dino na che say we na Jacob yi ne machine atofom na we na homa na che say show ni ya pon awie e na ye frɛ we na ne fans say one month ase ne enti obeje mic wantimi hurihuri ne hele so anye bibia woja mic mboko odi nchiremu aba ma yenti mra.
Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you might be. My name is Lady Prempeh, and this is the very first time I'm doing something like this. But this needs to be addressed. Well, Masubu, my fans, Lady Prempeh, what happened? It's all about Esther Smith programmer, or Friday, Ichemi. So, this is what happened. And Crofose Mantunyum Namewoho, what really happened. So, 5 months back, and Esther Smith, Efremi, said, obey a program, Ghana, now obey will Kumase, Accra, and Takrade, until obey me for all the 3 shows. Until me maoni management kasai, until asiane by. So fast forward 3 weeks back, and minyanti from a management say yesi program no nipa ne doso inti choose one of the regions, and me choose Accra because na no beboa me. Inti afena aka rehearsal ene ochna any ade manti omonka wo ho a management try aso oni omo bema ye date omama yen kopim se koba se on the day of the event, which is Friday no yesi ebe dress rehearsal inti na ewo se ye nyina ye jai de ebe ye eya no pano na ye call for the rehearsal. Inti me call dress rehearsal somewhere around 12 to 2 p.m. na me wo Perez Dome ho. After me rehearsal no wie no na kasa ne nyemu no anopa be se anopa pa na one of the performers mean to me mboni din ewo ha ja me voice note say lady at the program no umba bi wana because almost send me advert be video advert be na uniso udi ni so picture ni so inti mana and me responded but I was like okay be one of those things na and if you are feeding okay. Prior to that, so a week before, omone my manager ekasai. So that meant say I was part of it. And Omasaka said, membra dress rehearsal no. Inti me call dress rehearsal no wie. Ye de may be to get there. And I made back to my house a baby dress in any medical event no. Meti event na say tiase. The only time I frame me no, I'm cool stage no so no. Na ye tutu niema. I just say yapon program no. So I wasn't called to perform on the day. And this is exactly what happened on the day. So me fans, me say mumum fanche me. And yes Lady Prempeh ye the little program so one compare for me and BB. This is what happened. I was just not called to perform. That's what happened on the day. Until now, Menti Obianka, both from Esther Smith, and the manager, and the team, Menti as I record this video. Thank you.
Lady Prempeh was saying on national upon that. Let's say I said that ye hianesa. I see a could din wabro into was reference and yenipe. Yan friend near pong near friend so made her and ye be. Tina was so jam Mike do for because all told you will be empty because will be a funny back and Tina was so that too. It was any fans. A creature, a crap.